Alright guys, I want to show you this little hack that we got going on here. Just offloading this machine off the trailer. As you can see, the basket's pretty close to the ground. Jib section's tucking. And this is one of the things that a lot of you guys like to do. It's kind of an operator error. Let's go ahead and rotate the basket to clear the ground. Alright. And let's go ahead and pull it off the trailer. Yeah, go ahead and finish pulling off the trailer. We're gonna go ahead and get it off the trailer this way. The basket's clear, all that good stuff. But guys, pay attention to this basket right here. Alright, there's a hack. At this point in time, if you lower the outriggers down, if that basket's in that position, you're never gonna get the boom to go up because it's outside of its tolerance. Simple fact is, all we have to do literally at this point is rotate the basket and the basket will level back out. Go ahead and switch to the basket and rotate it. Alright, if this case and it won't rotate here, it's a simple fix too. Pull it a little bit forward. We're gonna put it back on the trailer just a little bit to get the basket a little bit closer as far as leveling. Give a little bit of a pitch, level the basket out, let it get to its level happy spot. All right, now continue driving it off. And guess what, guys? Basket's level, machine's off the trailer, you won't have any issues going to set up for your job site. Little fun fact for the Teupen Leo 23s and TC69s, TL69s. This is just a little fact to educate you guys a little bit better for loading and unloading procedures to keep from being shut down.